Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So Samsung has announced the 4th generation of the Galaxy Z Flip at their Unpacked event on August 10th. So the Flip 4 is up for pre-orders right now. Y'all guys can get it for $99.99 with trade-in. So that's pretty cool. This is the Z Flip 4. It kind of looks like the Z Flip 3 from last year, in my opinion. So not much has changed in terms of like design and stuff like that. This could be a long video, so do keep that in mind. So I will try to put chapters to different parts of the videos for you guys to check out. Alright. So there's the Z Flip 4. It looks like the Z Flip 3 from last year. So there you go. It says more compact, improved battery, faster processor, tougher design, better low light pics. It says get a memory upgrade on us and enjoy 256 GB for the price of 128 GB. So you can get a memory upgrade with that, which I suggest you guys do that. Why not? Plus get a select cover on us and up to $900 trading credit for a limited time. So right there, the phone's about $1,000. You know, so the retail price of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is about $1,000, right? If you pre-order the Z Flip 4 from Samsung, you can get 256 GB of storage for the price of 128 GB, and a select cover on that. So that's pretty cool. It says unfold your world with unique angles with flex cam, perfect projectability, durability inside and out, a customizable fashion statement. Alright. Design. The phone that claps back. Goes with everything, looks like nothing else. A hazy finish on the glass creates a soft contrast for the high shine, glossy metal frame. So there's the cover display there. You guys have it in full colors. You guys have boar purple, graphite. I don't know why it's taking forever to switch colors here. Y'all guys have pink gold, like kind of looks like a pinkish gold color, and then you guys have a blue color. So pretty nice. So y'all guys do get full colors. Bespoke edition. Your Galaxy, your way. This is the bespoke edition of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. It says can't choose just one, huh? Can't just choose one here. We got you, Galaxy Z Flip 4 bespoke edition lets you put a one-of-a-kind spin on your phone with the customizable cup. Says can't choose just one hue. We got you, Galaxy Z Flip 4 bespoke edition lets you put a one-of-a-kind spin on your phone with a custom color combo. So you can put like 2 colors on this one, so you guys can see right here. We scroll back down here, so you guys can see there. So yeah, pretty nice. Durability withstands drops and drips. Alright. Very nice looking phone. Alright, the hell. Alright. Main screen, which is the inside of the phone. Impossibly thin, impressively strong. The 6.7-inch display unfolds a beautiful view thanks to the ultra-thin glass. Serious durability lets you flex and flip your heart's content. So that's pretty nice. Exterior flipping strong. I wanted to show that again because this thing came up and it says durable inside and out. This is the toughest Galaxy Z Flip ever with exclusive corner Golden Glass Victus Plus, helping to protect your cover screen and a formidable armor aluminum guarding the frame, right? IPX8 water resistant, still unafraid of water. Leave your water worries behind with an IPX8 water resistant smartphone. It can hang out in 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes without breaking a sweat. Alright. Samsung Care. Accidents should be forgiven. If you're getting this phone, get insurance as well. Like with the Z Fold 4, get insurance for that phone too. Cause that phone's $1,800. This one's about $1,000. So you should get insurance on this phone. It says enroll in a worry-free Samsung Care Plus to stay protected from accidental damage. Flex your photo skills. There are a couple photos here. Right, the hell. So they got a couple photos here. Show off your dark side. Multi-camera system there. Take back the night. The night just got brighter with night photography on the rear camera. Details are brought to light, even in the dark, with bigger pixels on the wide camera. Say cheese. When the action gets going, night photography has the video skills to stay smooth, not shaky. Powerful processing allows super night solution to minimize noise, so clips of the crew can stay clear well into the night. And you guys can see it's using the flex mode there, so you can stand the phone up and use it as a tripod and all that. So pretty cool. Alright, what the hell? Alright, so on the outer part of the front end, y'all have two 12 megapixel camera. One is an ultra wide, and then one of them is a wide camera. Both of them are 12 megapixels on the outer frame of the phone. There's your cover screen there. Then you have a 10 megapixel selfie camera, so that's pretty good. Flex mode, flex cam, pretty much the same type of thing here. Go ahead, flex on them. Introducing flex cam, a versatile hands-free camera experience. Take advantage of your phone's agile angles to capture group shots, selfies, and videos from mind-blowing perspectives and impressive true-to-life detail, even in your go-to social apps. Alright. Alright, what the fuck was that? I don't know what that was. Quick shot, alright, so quick shot. Says so many ways to selfie. Take selfies with the rear camera while checking out a real-time preview on the cover screen. See yourself from head to toe with a full screen viewfinder. and confidently capture the moment, whether your phone's flexed or folded with an upgraded quick shot. So there it is. Flex Cam for social, give your feed a glow up. Alright. Content creation just got easier. Flex Cam folds its own to broaden your directional point of view, letting you film yourself, your friends, or your actors from fresh new angles. And once your movie is premiere ready, it's simple to upload right to your social media for well-deserved accolades. Battery, let every call go into overtime. Says a powerful 4nm processor works with a long-lasting 3700mAh battery to give you plenty of power for group video chatting, flexing your photo skills, and sharing to social. When it's low, plug in for super fast charging or bypass the cord with fast wireless charging 2.0. With all that power, you can even share a charge with your friend or your earbuds with wireless power share. Alright, sorry about that. 25 watt power adapter. So get that, because they don't come with the charging brick in the box. So you will need to buy a charging brick. So you might as well buy one when you buy this phone anyway. You might as well buy one if you don't have one already. Cover screen to the window to your world. So this is the cover screen. So you guys can see different clock types and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So you can customize the clock and different things on the cover screen there. Useful cover screen. Cover screen has you covered. No pun intended. Unique meets useful. A customizable 1.9-inch cover screen lets you change up the clock face using your videos, pics, and even your own custom AR emoji. Plus, you can control your phone with taps and swipes, access quick settings, reply to text, and add widgets to keep apps handy, right? So the cover screen can be used for a lot of different things. I think you can answer calls with this thing too. So, pretty nice. Ecosystem. The connected power of Samsung Galaxy. So there's the Z Flip 4 right here. Yeah, I got some pre-ordered the Z Flip 4. So it's pretty nice. And then you got the Galaxy Watch 5 here. You can also pre-order that too, and then you guys will have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro here. So yeah. Yeah, there we go. So y'all can pre-order those as well. Smart Switch, old phone meet new phone. Smart Switch is a great tool to transfer stuff from your old phone to your new phone. Doesn't matter what phone you guys have. If you're upgrading from a Pixel phone, LG phone, iPhone, or whatever, Smart Switch will work with any phone that you guys have. If you have a older Samsung device, Smart Switch is even more powerful with that. So Smart Switch is a great tool, so check it out. It says Smart Switch makes the transition between your current phone and Galaxy Z Flip 4 simple, even if you don't already have a Samsung Galaxy. In just a few steps, it brings over your photos, text, data, and more. Alright. Galaxy excellence. Expect nothing less. 4 nanometer processor, fast as it is flexible. Galaxy Z Flip 4 has the most powerful chip on the Galaxy Z device. So whether you're gaming, multitasking, or multitasking while gaming, it's smooth and seamless. 5G, of course, has been much standard now, speedy for the impatient. Whether you want to share the moment, get it there fast. 5G connectivity lets you stream, download, and post content with hyper-fast speeds. Save every stunner. Now that you can shoot all day and night, you need the space to keep your art on hand. Fill up your gallery with up to 5 gigabytes of storage built right in. And you also got Microsoft OneDrive as well. Use that as well. So it's pretty cool. Samsung Knox with the Samsung Security Suite. I suggest you guys use that as well. So Samsung Knox is built right. Samsung Knox is built into the hardware and software of your phone, protecting with layer upon layer of security to help keep your private data private. Side fingerprint unlock with a touch. A simple tap of the fingerprint scanner unlocks the main screen quickly and accurately, keeping your phone under lock and fingerprint. One UI, the phone you make your own. One UI helps you make your Android phone one of a kind. Customize the cover screen and main screen to suit your taste and the way you use your phone, alright? Accessories, so finesse your flips. You guys have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 5, a couple cases here. Yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is now up for pre-orders at Samsung's website. So if you guys pre-order the Z Flip 4, you guys can get a memory upgrade for free, and you can get a select cover on us. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get like a flip phone design, the Z Flip 4 is the phone for you. The phone does look very nice. It looks like the Z Flip 3 from last year. Yeah, very nice looking phone. And if you guys like the flip factor of the phone, y'all might as well get it, you know what I mean? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.